Two Amarillo researchers say they have discovered promising compounds that could someday treat neurodegenerative diseases.
News Channel 10's Cassie Stafford joins us now live in the News Center with more on how this discovery could someday help patients suffering from Alzheimer's.
The two Texas Tech Health Sciences Center professors say this discovery has been 5 years in the making. They're hoping that their work one day benefits patients in the Texas Panhandle and across the country.
Alzheimer's disease nationwide is predicted to be 100 million sufferers in the US by 2020. So it is a significant burden on the population in the US. And I'm sure that number would be equally high in the Panhandle as around the rest of the nation.
Dr. Trippier and Dr. Alamad are working to decrease the number of those suffering. And in two different labs at the Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center, they say they're making significant progress.
We have managed to generate around 50 compounds, some of which are showing some very interesting activity to prevent the death of neurons in the brain.
The two assistant professors have figured out how those neurons work, saying they're unclogging the garbage disposal in the cells.
So many neurodegenerative diseases, the problem with them that causes the neurodegeneration is that proteins kind of get stuck in those cells, in the neurons, and then the cells explode. What we've managed to do is develop some compounds that unclog the natural garbage disposal in these neurons and allow them to clear these proteins out so that they can go on living and hopefully become a potential medicine somewhere down the line.
One of the benefits of this research is how fast they're able to work together.
You have the chemistry lab up here where we make the compounds, and then one floor below we have Abe's lab which do the stem cell research as well. So we can basically just take the compounds out the door, down the stairs, and get them assayed very, very quickly.
So here we have directly like a source of cell of human brain neurons from patients, so we can directly try to correlate and have hopefully a move faster in the clinical trials.
Not only could this someday benefit patients, but it's currently benefiting their students. And they hope it attracts more students to the Health Sciences Center in the future.
And for my students, rather than just learning chemistry, making compounds and then sending them off to a black box to get them assayed, they can just go downstairs and learn some of the techniques of stem cell technology. And the student who worked primarily on this from my lab is now a postdoctoral research fellow in New York City. So it's really benefited him.
Dr. Trippier says their research is still in the early stages, and the fact that it's being developed here also increases their chances of starting a clinical trial here, which would allow them to bring the latest research first to patients in the Panhandle. Reporting live in the News Center, Cassie Stafford, News Channel 10.